the 2012 Honda Civic. This four-door, five-passenger sedan provides a satisfying ride for all passengers. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 1.8-liter four-cylinder engine. The following features are included: power moonroof, remote keyless entry, and cruise control. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability and 6 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Honda ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, a security system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment at our dealership.